The DJI Pocket 4 is generating significant excitement among vloggers, travel creators, and social media enthusiasts, promising to make capturing high-quality, stabilized footage easier and more efficient than ever before. Many creators are currently debating whether they should wait for this rumored model or stick with the Pocket 3, which has already proven itself as a reliable, portable camera. The Pocket series was always designed to solve a universal problem: how to capture smooth, cinematic video on the go, without the bulk of a traditional camera rig. Phones, even with stabilization technology, often struggle with shakes and motion blur, especially when walking or moving quickly. And mirrorless cameras, while producing outstanding quality, are heavy, require lenses, and demand more technical knowledge and setup. The Pocket 3 addressed these challenges perfectly by combining a compact, integrated gimbal with ease of use, allowing creators to navigate crowded streets, scenic hiking trails, or bustling city centers while still producing cinematic-looking footage. The rumored Pocket 4 aims to take this concept even further, addressing pain points such as low light performance, audio clarity, and AI-assisted shooting capabilities. Although the DJI Pocket 4 hasn't been officially announced, leaks and patent filings hint at several potential upgrades that make the camera particularly exciting. The sensor is expected to be significantly improved, providing sharper images and better low-light performance, which is crucial for shooting indoor environments, evening cityscapes, or dimly lit restaurants and cafes where phones often fail. Stabilization is rumored to be enhanced as well, potentially making handheld footage smoother than ever before, rivaling professional gimbal setups. Audio could also see notable improvements with upgraded built-in microphones that promise clear and crisp sound for vlogging, interviews, tutorials, and live commentary. Another area generating interest is the inclusion of AI-powered creative modes. These could include advanced subject tracking, face recognition, and cinematic presets, which would allow creators to capture complex shots with minimal effort, saving both time and post-production work. While all of these features are still unconfirmed, they paint an exciting picture of what a next-generation pocket camera could deliver. The practical benefits for creators become very clear when considering real-world usage. Travel vloggers could significantly reduce the weight and complexity of their gear, capturing hiking adventures, city explorations, cultural events, or even festival coverage without needing a full camera rig. Social media creators could benefit enormously from quick, polished content creation, using the smooth stabilization and AI modes to shoot Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts with minimal editing, saving hours of post-production. Lifestyle and tech reviewers would also find it useful for hands-on demonstrations or tutorials, capturing clear audio and stable video, while moving around a workspace or filming products from different angles. Even small improvements like better low-light performance or AI-assisted tracking could make a noticeable difference, reducing the need for extra lights or additional equipment, and allowing creators to focus more on storytelling than technical setup. The excitement around the Pocket 4 is understandable. Many creators want a device that is more capable than a smartphone, but far easier to manage than a mirrorless camera. Imagine walking along a sunset-lit beach, filming a crowded festival, or hiking a mountain trail while trying to maintain smooth footage. Phones often fall short in these dynamic scenarios, and conventional gimbals can be bulky and restrictive. The Pocket 4 promises a compact, pocket-sized solution, potentially allowing creators to achieve cinematic quality shots with minimal effort. The rumored AI features could be especially beneficial, enabling creators to focus on framing and storytelling, while the camera handles tracking moving subjects or adjusting focus automatically. This combination of portability, stabilization, and intelligent features could save significant time and make daily content creation much more manageable. Deciding between the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 ultimately comes down to a creator's immediate needs and workflow priorities. The Pocket 3 remains a strong choice, compact, stabilized, and capable of producing high-quality footage that meets the needs of most creators, especially beginners and casual vloggers. If you need a camera right now or have budget constraints, the Pocket 3 is still a very practical and reliable option. On the other hand, if you can wait, the rumored upgrades in stabilization, low light performance, audio clarity, and AI-assisted creative features could make the Pocket 4 worth holding out for. Full-time creators, or those producing cinematic quality travel content, might find that even subtle improvements in stabilization or sensor performance make a significant impact on the final output and workflow efficiency. Understanding your content style, frequency, and goals will help determine whether buying now or waiting for the next model makes the most sense. Some creators may also wonder how the Pocket 4 would compare to other camera options in the market. GoPros are excellent for action-packed footage, extreme sports, and waterproof scenarios, but they are primarily wide-angle and less suited for cinematic storytelling or lifestyle content. Mirrorless cameras offer professional-level quality, interchangeable lenses, and complete manual control, but their bulk and extra equipment make them less practical for travel or spontaneous vlogging. The Pocket 4 could occupy a unique space between these two extremes, providing portability, advanced stabilization, and versatility in a single compact device. Imagine capturing smooth B-roll footage at a busy festival, recording tight indoor shots, or filming daily vlogs. The Pocket 4 could offer cinematic results without the complexity, weight, or learning curve of a traditional mirrorless setup. Looking ahead, creators should also consider practical tips to maximize the potential of the Pocket series. Planning your shots in advance, being mindful of natural lighting, and thinking about composition will always improve video quality, regardless of the camera. Leveraging AI features when available could allow for more dynamic shots without the need for additional equipment or manual gimbal work. Considering audio enhancements or external microphones can further improve the overall production value. The combination of portability, stabilization, and intelligent shooting modes could make the Pocket 4 a versatile tool for daily content creation, allowing creators to experiment more freely and focus on storytelling rather than technical limitations. In conclusion, the DJI Pocket 4 appears to be a thoughtful and promising evolution of the Pocket series. While the features remain speculative, the rumors suggest meaningful improvements that could address some of the limitations of the Pocket 3. Beginners and casual users will likely find the Pocket 3 more than sufficient, while serious creators seeking cinematic quality footage, enhanced stabilization, and smart AI features may benefit from waiting for the Pocket 4. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your content workflow, goals, and timeline. If you need a camera now, the Pocket 3 is a solid, reliable choice. If you can wait, the Pocket 4 could be a smart long-term investment that streamlines shooting and elevates video quality. What do you think? Are you planning to wait for the Pocket 4? Or do you think the Pocket 3 is sufficient for your needs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more realistic camera rumors, reviews, and gear updates.